Jeff Hansen, Window Warriors Forum. Check us out, windowcleaningwarriors.com. We're going to water fit this window. It's sitting about 10 feet down inside a pit. Show how we don't actually need to get down inside there. The same process you would on any other window, but without jumping down inside that pit. By working this out of the way from above, getting a good rinse. So here's another look at it here from step away. So this is down inside a pit. This is a mechanical ductwork. You don't want to step on that. It's not load bearing. What you're going to do is you're just going to put a dent in it. So instead of stepping down, is it 9 feet down inside that? Clean it from up above. Most efficient way to do it. Look for the easiest way to do it, most efficient way to do it. Less time spent equals profit. It's out here, Window Warriors Forum.